Hi, I'm Mel, and today we're going to make some Play-Doh. I've got all the things that we need ready to go. So the things that we need to use are a bowl, a wooden spoon for mixing, a tablespoon for measuring, one measuring cup, the recipe, very important, and the ingredients that we need are water. I normally use boiling water when I'm making it by myself. If I'm making it with kindy kids or with my little girl at home, I usually just use water out of the tap, and that works just as good too. We need salt, oil, cream of tartar, plain flour, and some colouring. All right, the first part of the recipe says that we need 1 cup of salt. 1 cup. Next we need 2 cups of water. The reason why I use hot water is because it helps to dissolve the salt, and then it makes the Play-Doh nice and smooth. Now we very carefully just give that a stir. I'm going to be extra careful because I've used hot water. It doesn't really look like Play-Doh yet, does it? The next part is 2 spoons of oil. I hope I've got 2 spoons left in this bottle. Not very much. Let's have a look. 1 and 2. Wonder what that next number is. 4, you're right, 4 spoons of cream of tartar. That's this one. And actually, the recipe for this Play-Doh is on the back of the cream of tartar as well. That way it's easy for you to find if ever you forget. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a bit funny when we do the flour. Sometimes you can add a bit too much. So I usually do 3 cups and then wait and see if we need any more. All right, 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups. Now for the 4th cup, I'm only going to fill the cup halfway because I don't want to make the Play-Doh a little bit too dry. Sometimes if we add too much flour, it gets too dry. All right, let's mix it all up. The bowl's getting a bit fuller. All right, it's starting to look good, but it does look a bit like pizza dough still. We're going to have to do something to make it look a bit more like Play-Doh. What's it missing, do you think? Colour. This is the fun part. Oh, we need to work that red food dye all the way through so the colouring is nice and even. So now our Play-Doh's done. If you wanted to, you could put it in a bag and keep it in the fridge so that it lasts for longer. But today, I'm going to play with mine. I'm going to use zebras, I think, today. And maybe some rosemary that I cut from my herb garden. I wonder what you'll use with yours.